Hey guys, what's up? Another mileage update for the Milestar Patagonia MTs on my mom's Jeep JL Rubicon. These are 315/70/17 size, and the Jeep has a 2.5-inch icon lift, just for reference. We're at almost 8,000 miles on the tires. The last update, we were at 5,700-ish miles on the tires. So we put another 2,500 miles almost on them. And the last measurement we had at the 5,700 mile mark was 16:30 seconds. And measuring the front and rear tires again, we just rotated them at 6,000 miles. The measurement for the front and rear tires is at 14:30 seconds. So 2 more 30 seconds over, to almost 2,500 miles. That's not bad at all. Seems like they're still wearing really well, really consistently. And we'll see how that wear goes, if it accelerates or if it slows down as the tires get older. I'm kind of thinking it's going to sort of slow as they get harder, but who knows, we'll see. But so far, roughly 8,000 miles on the tires. The tire noise has increased slightly, ever so slightly, which it all depends on your air pressure as well. But as these wear, they're going to be more and more square as the center of the tire wears down, and you'll have these outer lugs coming in contact with the road a lot more. But usually, even with proper air pressure, the tire is going to be riding about from here in. So you're mainly riding on this center section of the tire. These outer lugs don't touch. So that's how you set your air pressure on these tires, kind of unusual. But tire noise ever so slightly more than when they were new, but still really, really quiet for such an aggressive tire. We have gone wheeling one more time, but haven't, that's been quite a while ago. So no more chinking to report, no tread loss, no issues with the tire being damaged, so that's been really good. After rotating, the feathering, the cupping that was just starting to happen on these tires has already gone away. They're wearing very evenly. No issues with the alignment. We have not had the Jeep aligned since it was new, so this has been a really good thing too. The siping is really deep. That's nice. The wet weather traction still is really good. Have not had any issues braking, accelerating in the storms. We've had a bunch of rain lately and it's really performed well. So all in all, just a quick update to let you know the tire measurements. Have not had the tires rebalanced. They're still balanced perfectly, even after those wheeling trips, which is pretty commendable. So I think if we get 30,000 out of these tires or more, I mean, it's looking like it's going to go quite a bit more than that, but we're going to be very happy. But again, we're here to monitor and video these tires through their whole life, so it'll be a surprise if we get 20,000 and they're already gone somehow. That would be kind of unusual, but if that does happen, we'll have it video logged and we'll know for the future. But so far, wearing really well. Still love the tires. Everything has been working great on the Jeep. Hope you find this informative. Hope it helps you in your decisions. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. See ya.